Hey guys, it's Peachy. One of my friend Austin or Edge, he found a couple of Pokemon cards on the side of the road a couple days ago, and posted a picture in the Discord I'm in, and it was a code card, and oddly enough, the code card had not been used, so I put in the code and got a pack, and that's what you're about to see in this video. But if you guys enjoy, most of me talking is me talking to him. I do say towards the end of the video, context, because I didn't think I'd do this part of it. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy this little 2-3 minute video. So, sorry for the super close up there. See you guys in the next one. Well, at the end of the video, I'll see you guys in the next one. You know what I mean. Bye for now. Thanks. True. Random pack I found online. For context. Have a good one. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.